Hey guys, what's up? So today I want to talk to you about this Python tool that can help you write more readable code. Okay, so here's the thing. Most coders have difficulty following coding conventions, especially if they don't write the same code every single day, and that's usually true for most people. Even senior developers have difficulty following coding conventions because code style mistakes are easy to make, but they're also easy to track down if you're using the right tools. To make it easier to follow Python's coding conventions, I recommend using a tool called pycodestyle. You can use this command line tool on your source code and it will generate for you a report telling you what needs to be changed in order to make your code more in line with the standard convention. So think of pycodestyle as being a tool that helps your code look standard. Okay, so for example, let's take a look at a small program I wrote yesterday. When I was writing this code, I didn't think about styling very much. Okay, so let's try running pycodestyle on this file. Okay, so it looks like pycodestyle found a bunch of mistakes I made. Okay, so let's fix these mistakes. And let's run this again. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will see you later.